Hey, good morning, caterpillars. How are you today? So, what do you notice on our screen? Do you see anything? What do you notice? Ooh, there is a word up here. Help me spell this word. Let's say M-A-R-C-H. This says March. March is our new month. We already said goodbye to February, and now we are in this month, March. It is the third month. All right, let's look. There is March. We had January, February. Now we're in the third month of March. Today is a Monday. It is the 1st of March. We're going to make a pattern. So I'm going to put a butterfly up here first. We have our first month up there, our first day. It is the 1st of March today. Right, let's look at this. What is the weather? The weather, the weather. Oh, what is the weather? The weather today. What is the weather today? Go ahead and go look outside and tell me what you see. This time we're going to be making a weather 10 frame. So it could be sunny, cloudy, partly cloudy. It looks like with sun today. We have rainy, we have snowy, and we have all clouds. So what is the weather like today? Rhyming time. What are some words that rhyme with apple? Let me hear what you have. What rhymes with apple? Good job. Apple, maple. All right. Sound out the letters to make this word. We'll start on this side. This is the first, middle, and end. Let's find out what word this is. F, A, G. F, A, G. Did you see how I did that? I said each sound, and I always make sure I start from this side and I read across. I can touch each sound and say it. F, A, G. Fog. All right, our math story today. Once upon a time, there were 3 ladybugs. And they loved being outside. They loved being by the garden. They had such an awesome time. Well, pretty soon, 3 butterflies came. How many did I have all together? Can you do that with me? Let's write that out. So we had 3. 3 ladybugs were first. So if we're adding, what should I put there? An addition sign. Yes, 3. So I have 3 plus, and then how many butterflies? 3. 1, 2, 3. How many did I have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. Equals, and there's that number 6. Good job. What are some words that start with this letter? Can you help me out? What are some words that start with the letter L? We have, I'm going to draw one just so you remember. L makes the sound. What are some words that start with the Lion. Okay, lemon. Good. What else? Keep walking. Keep going. Lollipop. Lizard. Words, things that begin with the letter L. So we just had that letter L. We're going to look at things that begin with the letter L. So there's our letter L up here. L makes the L sound. So I'm going to put it in here. Give me a thumbs up if I should put it in here. Remember, voice is quiet so I can just see. Good job. Leaf. Good. Dog. Ooh, I think this is a leash. The dog is on the leash. Should I put it on there? Ooh, nope, it disappeared, so it is a dog. Lemon. Good. I'm going to put the lemon on the circle. Light bulb. Should I put the light bulb on there? Why? It does begin with the L sound. Good. How about shoe? Lantern. This is sometimes you can see at night you use a lantern. Should I put it on there? Good job. Lion. How about pumpkin? No? Why not? You're right. It disappeared, so I know that's not right. It's a pumpkin. Pumpkin starts with the letter P. Jet ski? Should I put it on there? I love jet skis. No. Why should I not put it on there? You're right. Jet ski starts with the J sound. J. I'm going to leave that here. How about a ladder? Good job. A lamb? Good. A lamb starts with the letter L. Window? I love this bird in it. Should I take it? Just because I love it? It does not start with the letter L. How about lollipop? Lollipop. Good. So those are things that begin with the letter L. So afterwards we're done, I want you to write that letter L for me. And then I want you to draw something that began with the letter L. Oh, can you do that with me? Oh, good work. All right, so here is our next activity. We are going to count how many apples the Cat in the Hat is holding. We are celebrating a whole bunch of different authors this week. And so one author we are celebrating too is Dr. Seuss. So we're going to read a couple books from him. So let's count the apples on his head and see if we can identify the number he is holding. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wow, that is a very big number. 15, a 1 and a 5. When I get to it, click your tongue. Is this a 15? No. 15, a 1 and a 5. Good job, a 15. We got to check. All right, let's count the number on his head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, I'm looking for the number 9. Check when I get it, when I put my arrow on the number 9. Oh. Good job. All right, we're going to do 2 more. This time, let's count. I want to hear you count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 of them. We talked about the number 12. Do you remember what it looks like? What does it look like? Do you see it on the screen? It is a 1 and a 2. A 1 and a 2. That's a 1 and a 5. 1 and a 2. Check it. Yay! All right, one more. Let's see what we got. Ooh, how many do you see? 4. Good job. Subitizing. How many do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8. All right. And let's roll it. How many hats will I put on top? 3. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, what's this one? Let's find out what we're going to match. Bell. Need. I think we're looking for rhyming words. Okay, we're looking for a word that rhymes. House. Table. Do they rhyme? No. 0. Nothing. Bell. Strawberry. Onion. Apple. Pot. Need. House. Table. I don't think any of these rhyme, do they? Bell. and nothing. Those are all different objects we have. All right, caterpillars. So remember, today you are looking for words that began with the letter L. Do you think you can find something? Draw that letter L, straight line, big line down, little line across, diagonal and horizontal. And submit it when you are done. I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Have a great 1st of March.